Hey, whenever you're seeing this, I'm putting this up on my birthday, and I want to thank all of you for getting me to where I am. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers, so I want you to help me get there, and it'll be a nice little milestone. Now, I want to start off July with a Fun Fries collab with the hashtag Fun Fries, and I want all of you to submit your favorite types of fries, the way that you like it, a traditional fry recipe, your guilty pleasure fry recipe, anything and everything, tag that with Fun Fries and put that in this collaboration. It's an open collab, you can put as many entries as you want, and I'll be putting up a new recipe for fries every Monday. Plus, if fries are your life, if you join this channel, you'll get some fun fry emojis. So be sure to check that out. We are still trying to flesh that out to really make it compelling for you. And I want to hear what you would like to see. What we're thinking right now is a sneak peek so you have a full timeline of videos that are in the pipeline to really give you that deeper insight. For more videos like this and to be tuned to this fry collab, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new fry recipes from me. Bye guys.